Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, we got a new project on the go. Anyways, we got this, not this car here. We got this nice specimen here. Anyways, need a rebuilder. So we have a little bit of storyline that goes with the video. Anyways, this is the Old Beater Cars restoration shop. She's getting old and she needs to upgrade pretty soon, but we still do some good projects out of it. So anyways, we have a customer here that has this, I think it's a Challenger to me. Challenger, early 70s, late 60s, something like that. I have to look at the VIN number to see what the hell it is. So anyways, this car was sat in a field near a pond for many years. And it's pretty eaten up by rust. And it's a numbers matching car, convertible, has the big block in it. I'm not too sure what size motor, but we'll come across that when we take it apart. As far as we know, the engine's locked up. It's a numbers matching car, and the owner of this car has it all registered and everything. But of course, the car needs to be totally redone, 100% restoration, and there's lots of work that needs to be done to it. But I mean, it has some good bones in it, so we're going to just go for it. The rear quarters are eaten up by rust. Under chassis is eaten up pretty bad. Rocker panels, I don't know about that. Fenders eaten up there. We can probably fix all this. Front end is hooped. It hit something, who knows what. Front suspension is screwed on it. Bottom rocker panel on this side is gone. Door might be good still. Fender, rear quarter here might be sliced. Then we put a patch panel there. The thing is about modern things about nowadays, you can get all sorts of parts for these old muscle cars. But I forget what you call it, but basically remanufactured stuff. Anyways, you basically get everything for these cars, right? Old muscle cars, you get whole body, right? So, but the owner wants it to pretty much original, so that's how we're gonna do it. And like I said, he's basically given us his credit card and checkbook, and go town on. He has no limit on the restoration costs, so I guess he's a high roller. He has lots of money, and just go for it. And we have a good reputation. He likes our work, and that's what we got. So, anyways, that's what to say about this project. We're gonna be showing a lot of real life. What something of this what would be done, like how it would be restored in real life. There's a shop near me that does this kind of stuff, and I've been in their shop a few times over the years, and I've seen what they do to bodies and such to get them all prepped and ready for, for body work and paint and all sorts of stuff like that. Not sandblasting, but I guess they dip it or something. I forget what it is now, but it'll come to me once I start thinking about it. But yeah, so lots of work. So it's gonna be, like I said, it's gonna be a 100% complete restoration. And we have lots of donor parts for this car, so I'm gonna go for it and see what we come with it. So I'll try to do lots of video on it, of the little processes of fixing all the rust. If we can get some little 124 or 125 scale men with tools and such, we can do that and make it look like it's been actually worked on and such. A little backyard auto body shop. We'll fix this up, no problem. Stay tuned for this next project. It's going to be very interesting. I'm sure a lot of guys are going to be really interested in a kind of project like this. Taking old, eaten up, rusty car, taking it back to original. That's what hot rodding's about, guys. So, alright. And also news going forward is going to be upgrading my Old Beater Cars workshop. We're going to be getting a new workshop pretty goddamn soon. Hopefully we have it up and going towards end of summer. And yeah, so it should be pretty interesting. We'll have a new place here doing our models and our other stuff. Quite a bit different from here, but anyways, once we get a little more into that, we'll show you what we got. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and watch my videos, all my past videos and stuff I have on this channel. Might not be posting anything for a while after, say, in a couple 3 weeks. I'll be busy packing. And yeah, so we have lots of content on our channel. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.